So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can enable the call alerts on your noise smartwatch. Likewise, if you are receiving any call on your smartphone, you can directly get a alert on your smartwatches as well, and if you don't want to receive it, you can directly cut it from there also. And if you want to send a quick reply if you are not able to attend the call, you can do these processes from your noise smartwatch. The tasks are maybe differ for the different versions of the noise smartwatch. So to do this process, you need to first download the application named noise fit from play store or an app store in case you are using iOS. Once you download it, you need to pair your smartwatch with this particular applications. Once you do this process, now whenever you open this noise smartwatch mobile application, this is the noise fit home page. You all have been familiar with this. Now to enable to enable the call alerts, you need to just simply go to this option of my device on the most below of the list. You're gonna find it's just right there. When you click there, now this is the interface of your device. The settings, it may be different for different versions, but most of the time the interface is going to be same. Here you need to click on this option of call alerts. Just simply click there. It may be disabled for you. You just simply need to enable this, and once you do that, now the call alerts has been directly sent to your smartwatches as well. So by this method, you can easily enable the call alerts on noise smartwatch very easily. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.